Hi guys, nice short quick one today. Doing the battery percentages on the iPhones. So on the older ones, you would be able to have a readout percentage at the top. With the built-in notches, that's no longer an option. You can go into your settings. On your battery settings, you can see your power consumption and where your battery's going, but there's no option to turn on the percentage bar anymore. So the only two options to do it really are you can grab the top right corner, you can drag it down. In the top corner you'll now see your percentages. The other option is to simply ask by going, "Hey Siri, what's my battery percentage?"
Your iPhone is at 70%.
And there we have it, the two options for showing your battery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you all soon.